Hey guys, welcome back. So I have 2 weeks that I'll be sharing today. One of them I'll be working on is week 7. Week 8 I have complete. So I'll be working with 2 pages. This card is from Coco Daisy. It says when skies are gray. And then I have 2 pictures that are gray, actually, black and white pictures. One is, it's a color picture, but it's all gray. So this is a photo of the rain while on my way home. And I just stitched a love acetate piece from Ali Edwards and then a puffy sticker, a heart white sticker. And I'll be putting that in the bottom left side of the pocket. And then to the right is just a photo of Albert and I. There's nothing on it. I'm just going to slip that photo right in. It's a black and white photo, probably from a date night from that week. And then with this card, it says when skies are gray, and I'm just going to add some puffy alpha that are in white from Coco Daisy. It's just going to say happy on it. So I'll just add that to give it some more texture and to give it something else because it was just way too plain to insert in the pocket by itself. So I'll just add the word happy right here. Really love these tiny fonts because these alphas just fit perfect on 3x4 cards. So I'll go ahead and place that on the left side of the middle pocket. And the one to the right is actually the back side of my accordion from the last video from week 6. And so I just left it as is. And to the top right, I have a photo of jelly beans that nobody liked that were from Trader Joe's. To the right is just a card that I'll journal on, and it says all the love in an aqua font. That's a Ali Edwards card. And I will just add journaling later. So in the middle to the left, my mom gave us a ton of lemons from her lemon tree. And so I made strawberry lemonade. And I was just showing, I took a picture of the pitcher of lemonade, pink lemonade that we made. And then I found the sticker from Heidi Swap's collection from last year. It says squeeze. And I'll just place that. Actually, it says sweet. And then I thought it said squeeze. And I'll just place that on the sticker itself, on the photo itself, and then just place it in there. To the right is a Coco Daisy card, all about our currentlies. And I'll list, what I love currently. There's about 5 slots, and I'll journal that later. With this card, it's from Coco Daisy. I'm going to go ahead and use some Distress Oxide inks in pink and just kind of give it a background because it was just too plain for me. So I thought I'd give it like a blush looking background. So I'm just blending some color onto the card. And then I'm going to add a photo. It's about a 2x2 size photo with no border, which that's rare for me, of my cat Milo, just kind of chilling inside. And so I'll place that over the blush inked spot and place that card to the left side, bottom left side. And to the bottom right is just a photo of the soup that I've been currently obsessing over. So I kind of like all our currently eating jelly beans and strawberry lemonade and also this delicious soup. So this delicious soup is from Trader Joe's, and it's like a miso-based soup with curry, and then you just add veggies and pot stickers. The best soup ever, I swear. I found the recipe on TikTok, never looking back. It was so delicious. It's become one of our favorites. I think I probably make it weekly. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's week 7, nothing to it. You just kind of just put cards and stuff together. So week 8 was already completed because I was a guest designer for Studio Calico. And so the left side just has a couple cards and then 3 photos. And to the right, I have this little insert that I made out of the 4x6 cards. So yeah, there's really nothing much to week 8 on the left side because it's just cards and photos that I'll journal. But this insert is adorable. So these are 2 cards, 2 4x6 cards. And then I made this opening. So I cut out the tags from the card and made a collage inside about Diana and I. So because we hang out so much, we have so many selfies, like unbelievable amount of selfies. So that's why I decided to make a little collage about our friendship because we hung out on week 8 with the kids. And yeah, it was just, we always have a lot of fun. I just hung out with her yesterday. So we probably do, a couple, 3 hangouts per month. So the backside just has stickers. The inside is all journaling. It says Best of Pals. And we talk about chess because that's what the kids started playing. And I talk about my friendship on this pink tag. And that's it. It's just a little insert that goes inside on top of week 8, I guess, or in between. And then there's just photos and some cards. And I do have a short video that kind of shows what I did on this side. But that's pretty much it. Thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.